Okay, I just recently got this precision screwdriver set, and let's unpack it and let's take a look what's inside. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and let's go to the video. It comes in this kind of a nice case. It's plasticky, but it's pretty decent. It slides, and at the end here it feels like there's some kind of a, it feels like at the end there's some kind of notches here. This cost me $6, so keep that in mind. We slide that and we are greeted with this thing, right? It's not really logically laid out, and you can see that it's Chinese kind of stuff, because you can see that those things are not aligned, those labels, and also deco faces this way. But if you can see on the bits, all the markings, they're facing that way, so it should be this way actually. So there's a lot of inconsistencies right here. But also, like, if you're a right-handed person, you probably would be using your right hand, so you slide it out, and yeah, and all the bits are essentially upside down, which is kind of stupid if you ask me. And straight away, like, this design is really shitty, because if you have like short nails, it's kind of hard to get it out of this contraption here. Fuck. See, it's really hard to get this out of this contraption. So this here should be magnetic. Luckily, those bits, they're all held magnetically here. Like this particular stuff right here, it's magnets, so that's cool. And of course, as I started to record the video, the rain started pouring outside, so we have to deal with that. So anyway, this whole thing is plasticky, but these little holders inside, they're actually made from metal, and it's magnetic. And also the bits themselves are magnetic as well, so that's kind of pretty cool. Let me demonstrate that by taking something like this, and boom, it's magnetic. So again, for six freaking dollars, I think it's pretty cool. This thing does this, it spins. I don't know really why, like, to maybe put it like that and start screwing or unscrewing. I've tried it, I don't think it does that much. But whatever, it is what it is. It's metal, it's pretty good. And by the way, these things hold pretty strongly. Like, they are not going anywhere apparently. Let's take like a bigger bit, heavier. Not going anywhere, so that's really a plus. I think I found only one, like this one, I think it was, that was a little bit more loose, but the rest of them is pretty good. And again, let's take like a chunky one like this. Not going anywhere whatsoever. And I've used it already to disassemble and clean my MacBook. There's gonna be like a little video if you like to watch inside of the cool looking stuff. Yeah, you got basically, I will try to find on Amazon basically similar set, because you've got here Torx and pentalobe screws that you need for MacBook disassembly essentially. I've used this one, and well, doesn't want to focus there. That's it, yeah. I think it's alright. It should be alright, because I obviously simply opened MacBook and then closed it, so it should be fine. Yeah, you can kind of see actually the wear a little bit on this, on the tip of 1.2 pentalobe. You can see that there's a little bit brittle right here already. I wonder how it will do in the long term. You can see there's a little bit of a damage already on this one. So quality of bits not that great, but again, for $6, I mean, for $6 it's not bad. So yeah, just wanted to make this little quick review. For some reason iPhone decided to not autofocus today, but it's fine, that's okay. Alright, subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next one.